The store was busy. Music played softly. Mary walked between the clothes racks and touched a blue dress. It was beautiful, simple but beautiful. She checked the price tag, $40. She looked around. Other people were shopping. Nobody noticed her. She found two dresses, the blue one and a green one. She needed to try them on. She looked for the fitting rooms. She saw a sign on the wall, but she didn't understand it. She looked for a person to help her. A young woman with a red name tag walked toward her. Her name was Lisa. Mary's hand held the two dresses tightly. Her fingers pressed against the fabric. She knew what she needed to say. Three words, maybe four, but her mouth felt dry. Fitting room. Where is the fitting room? She had practiced English at home, on her phone, with apps. But this was different. This was a real person. Mary's heart beat a little faster. She breathed in slowly. In Brazil, she was not shy. She talked to everyone. Here, she felt small, not because of the store, not because of Lisa, because of the words that lived in her head but sometimes didn't come out right. She held the dresses against her chest, like a small shield. Excuse me, Mary said. Lisa smiled. Hi, can I help you? Yes, I want to try. Mary paused. She forgot the word. Fitting room, fitting room. It was gone. I want to try the dress. The place where you try? She moved her hand toward her body, showing putting on clothes. Lisa noted immediately. The fitting room. Of course. It's right there. She pointed to a hallway on the left. Thank you, Mary said. It wasn't perfect. She knew that, but Lisa understood. That was enough. Mary walked to the fitting room. A different employee stood by the door, an older man. He counted the dresses in her hands and said something quickly. Mary caught only one word, limit. She didn't understand the question. She looked at him. He said it again, faster this time. Sorry, she said. He spoke again, still fast. She heard items and six and something else. She felt her face get warm, not angry, just lost, like standing in a room where everyone knows something you don't. She looked at her two dresses. She held them up slowly. Two, she said, only two. The man smiled and nodded. He gave her a small plastic number, a two. He opened the door. She went inside. It was that simple. She didn't need a long sentence. She didn't need perfect grammar. She used one word and showed two dresses with her hands. He understood. She understood. The door opened. She sat down for a moment on the small bench. She breathed slowly. The fitting room was quiet, just her and the mirror and two dresses. The blue dress fit well. The green one was too big. She bought the blue one. Outside the store, the street was loud again. The sun was strong. Mary held the shopping bag in her hand. It made a small sound when she walked. That soft plastic noise. She thought about the moment with the dresses in her hands. Two, only two, 4 words, maybe three. She had solved it with 3 words. She didn't feel proud exactly. It wasn't that big, but something was different now. Something small and quiet inside her. She passed a cafe. She smelled coffee. She thought, maybe I can go in. Maybe I can order something. She kept walking, but she was thinking about it. And that was new. Hello, everyone. I am Nadir. If you enjoyed today's story and learned some English with me, I would love to see you next video. Bye.